In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shein online store easily and efficiently. This guide will walk you through the entire process from browsing to making a purchase so that you can confidently shop on Shein, whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned online shopper. First things first, you need to go to the Shein website. Open your web browser and type in the website address, or simply search for Shein in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a vibrant array of fashion options and great deals. Shein is known for its wide variety of affordable clothing, so take a moment to explore the latest trends and categories offered. Now let's dive into the fun part, browsing and selecting a product. As you scroll through the clothing items, take note of the different categories and filters available to narrow your search. Whether you're looking for dresses, tops, accessories, or any other fashion item, you can use these filters to streamline your shopping experience. As you find a product that catches your eye, click on it to view more details. You'll be able to see the available sizes, colors, and read through customer reviews, which can be incredibly helpful in deciding if this product is right for you. Once you've made your choice and you feel ready to proceed, it's time to add the item to your shopping bag. Simply click the Add to Bag button, and when you're ready to purchase, head over to the checkout page. Here, you can review all the items you've added to your cart. Double-check the sizes, colors, and quantities to ensure everything is correct. This is an important step to make sure your order is exactly as you want it. Now, onto the payment. Under the Payment Method section, you'll find several options besides the traditional credit card payment. Shein offers convenient alternatives like PayPal or Gcash, among others. Choose the method that you prefer or that is most accessible to you. This flexibility in payment options can make the whole purchasing process smoother and more convenient. And there you have it. Your purchase is complete. Shein will send you a confirmation email with all the details of your order for your records. Make sure to keep an eye on your inbox for any updates regarding shipping or potential delays. Thank you for joining me today in this easy guide to shopping on Shein. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you now feel comfortable and confident navigating the site and making your purchases. Remember, if you ever have any issues or questions about your order, Shein's customer service is there to assist you. Happy shopping, and until next time.